So Management by Statistics has another feature for users. Besides the users that you can set up yourself, which have access to the software or either online or on a computer, and that can have different rights. You can invite somebody as your consultant, for example. Anybody you want, you can send that person an email and invite him or her to view statistics online. There is no fee for that. It's included in the purchase of the software. The one thing I want to show is that it's not done within the software, it's done online directly. So in this case, if I click on the globe icon at the top here, when this screen comes up, it means you already have a cloud account. Okay? In the event you get this screen directly, it'll mean that you have not set up your cloud account first. And you need to do that because it's online that you're going to be able to invite somebody. So let me get out of the wizard here. I'm going to show you more what I mean. If I go to administration and check the users I created, I currently have 2 users. I'm going to create a third one because I have a maximum number of 3. So I'm going to put here test user, and I'll just put a dummy password. I do not intend to keep this user, but I want you to see what's happening. So now I have 3 users. You can see only one of them is web enabled right now. So if I go online, this is the email address associated to that account. When you're signed in online, let me change the dates here a little bit so it looks more like what I have in the other screen. There we go. What you'll do is go to my account. What you see here is you can invite somebody as a guest user. The internal users are the 3 users that we have in the program itself: admin, Jenna, and the new one I just added. So if you activate these users through the Cloud Wizard, they will have access online as well. The one I want to activate now is the guest user. So let's say I have the CEO of the company, for example, who doesn't really need to enter data but who would like to view the data. We can add the email address here. For example, in this case, if I add consultant@gmail.com, let's say this is my consultant. If I click on add, an email is sent out to that person. Now, make sure you warn that person that they also look in their spam folder because sometimes it ends up there. They need to reply and they'll be able to set up their own account. Now, if your consultant already has 2-3 other customers who use Management by Statistics, he or she will already have a consultant account set up. And then what's going to happen is that the data for your company, let me go to my dashboard. In this case, it would be perfect service. So when I click here as a consultant, I will see all the other companies and perfect service will be added to that list, and I'll be able to view the statistics for that particular company. So it's important to understand you set up the the consultant account or the guest account online directly. And if we go back to Management by Statistics, you will see there is in the users nothing about that other user because it's done online only.